Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to allow others to upload files to your Google Drive. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed someone else to upload files directly into your Google Drive, yet weren't quite sure how to make it happen smoothly? Well, you're in luck, because today we'll be guiding you through this process, making it as easy and seamless as possible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to grant others permission to upload files into your folders, enhancing your ability to collaborate efficiently and without any unnecessary hitches. Let's dive right into this straightforward process. To start, you'll first need to navigate to your Google Drive homepage. Whether you're using a desktop computer, a laptop, or even a mobile device, open your preferred internet browser. Simply type in Google Drive and press Enter to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Google Drive interface, where all your files and folders are conveniently stored. Now, it's time to select the folder where you want others to upload their files. Browse through your list of folders, and once you spot the one you wish to share, click on it to select it. If you haven't designated a specific folder yet, creating a new one is a breeze. Just click on the New button located at the top left of your screen, then choose Folder. This step is essential for keeping your files organized and easily accessible. By granting access to a selected folder, you're ensuring that the person can only upload files to that particular area without gaining visibility into your other files or folders. With your folder chosen, the next step is to initiate the sharing process. Locate the folder again, right-click on it, and a list of options will appear. From this list, select Share. This is the pivotal step where you enable others to upload files directly into your chosen folder. When the Sharing Options window pops up, you'll notice a field where you can add people or groups. Here, you'll input the email addresses of those you wish to grant access to. Google Drive will then send them an invitation, giving them access to the folder once you've completed this step. Be sure to double-check the spelling of the email addresses to ensure they reach the intended recipients. Before you hit send, it's crucial to set the level of access appropriately for the people you're inviting. You'll want to assign them editor permissions, which allows them to upload and organize files within the folder. In the Share settings, you'll see a drop-down menu next to each person's email. Click on the menu and select Editor to grant them the correct permissions. This step is vital, as only with editor access can they upload files directly into the folder. Finally, once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the Send button. A quick confirmation window might appear, verifying the permissions you're about to grant. Simply confirm these settings, and you're all set. The person you've added will receive an email notification, informing them that they now have access to your folder. And that's it. You've successfully enabled seamless collaboration by letting others upload their files directly to your folder in Google Drive, while keeping everything orderly and well-organized. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to allow others to upload files to your Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.